What if I told you the reason most people stay broke isn't because they don't make enough money? It's because they have habits that quietly destroy their wealth every single day. And the scary part, most people don't even realize they're doing it. Some people earn $40,000 a year and become wealthy. Others earn $150,000 a year and still struggle financially. Why? Because wealth isn't built by income alone. It's built by habits. Today, we're exposing the 7 money habits that keep millions of Americans trapped in a cycle of financial stress. And more importantly, how you can escape them. Let's begin. The first habit we need to address is living beyond your means. Many individuals indulge in luxurious lifestyles without considering the financial repercussions. They swipe their credit cards without thinking twice, leading to a mountain of debt that can take years to pay off. Next, let's talk about impulse spending, which often strips away hard-earned savings in just moments of weakness. People are often lured by enticing sales or trendy items, forgetting to ask themselves if these purchases align with their financial goals. America has one of the highest standards of living in the world, yet millions of people live paycheck to paycheck. Every month follows the same pattern. Money comes in, bills go out, stress remains. Many people think the solution is simply making more money, but that's not always true. Because if bad habits stay the same, a bigger paycheck simply creates bigger spending. The real solution is changing the behaviors that silently destroy wealth. Let's look at the 7 biggest ones. The first habit is living beyond your means. Many find themselves caught in a cycle of excessive spending, often driven by lifestyle inflation. The second habit involves neglecting to budget effectively. Without a clear understanding of where money goes, it's easy to fall into traps of overspending. The third is failing to save for emergencies, leading to reliance on credit when unexpected costs arise. The fourth habit is avoiding tracking expenses. Many individuals overlook how small purchases add up over time, leading to financial strain. The fifth is neglecting to invest wisely. Not taking advantage of investment opportunities means missing out on potential growth. The sixth habit involves relying too heavily on credit cards, which can lead to a never-ending cycle of debt. Most people save whatever is left at the end of the month. The problem: there's usually nothing left. Wealthy people do the opposite. They save first, then spend what's left. This simple shift changes everything. Pay yourself first, even if it's only $50 a week. Because consistency beats intensity. When small, consistent actions accumulate, they lead to significant achievements. This principle not only builds wealth, but also paves the way for future dreams and goals. By prioritizing savings, you secure a brighter future and create opportunities for meaningful experiences. Reward yourself for your efforts and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial security. Together, we can inspire each other to adopt better saving habits and reach our financial dreams. As we encourage one another, we build a community of financially savvy individuals ready to tackle any challenge. With a solid foundation built on savings, the path to investments and further financial growth becomes clear. Just like nurturing a seed, investing requires patience and care, but the rewards can be life-changing. Credit cards aren't evil, but uncontrolled debt is. Many people buy things they can't afford to impress people they don't even know. Meanwhile, interest keeps growing. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that can't build wealth. Use credit wisely, not emotionally. As bills pile up, anxiety takes hold and the weight of financial choices becomes overwhelming. A broken piggy bank symbolizes the loss of savings, while an empty credit card serves as a reminder of how quickly debt can escalate. Seeking guidance from a financial planner can lead to better decisions as budgets shift from chaos to clarity. It's essential to take control of spending habits by planning every purchase thoughtfully. Finding peace in managing finances leads to a better quality of life where personal goals are celebrated. Achieving milestones brings joy, demonstrating that wise credit use can pave the way for financial freedom. You get a raise, then immediately upgrade your lifestyle. Sound familiar? This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest wealth killers in America. Every raise should increase investments first. not expenses. If your income grows but your spending grows faster, you'll never get ahead. As you celebrate your higher salary, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of spending more. But those new expenses can trap you in a cycle of financial worry. Every time you upgrade your lifestyle, ask yourself, are these choices helping me build wealth? Remember, real financial freedom comes from making your money work for you. Taking a moment to reflect can be powerful. Think about your long-term goals and the lifestyle you want to achieve. Investing in your future should always take precedence over immediate gratification. Start prioritizing savings and investments, and watch your wealth grow while others may be caught in the trap of lifestyle inflation. Many people say, "I'll start investing next year. I'll save money when things get better. I'll begin when I earn more." Years pass. Nothing changes. Successful people start before they're ready, because action creates momentum. Waiting creates regret. Every moment spent waiting is a moment wasted. The future belongs to those who take the first step, no matter how small it may seem. Don't let fear dictate your path. Seize the day and watch the possibilities unfold. Those who embrace discomfort often find their greatest rewards. Take that leap of faith today. The perfect moment is a myth. It's the action you take that creates your own perfect time. Action ignites growth and propels you toward your goals. Break free from the cycle of waiting. Every small step counts and brings you closer to financial freedom and personal fulfillment. When you decide to act, you will find the courage and strength within yourself. Embrace your journey, step into the unknown, and let the momentum carry you toward success. Most people spend hours consuming entertainment. Very little time learning financial skills. The wealthiest investment you'll ever make is investing in yourself. One new skill can increase your income for decades. Many chase the thrill of the latest series or film while neglecting the power of knowledge. A few dedicated hours each week could transform your financial future, leading to greater opportunities ahead. Picture this: instead of endless streaming, you dedicate time to mastering skills that enhance your financial acumen. Investing in your knowledge pays dividends that last a lifetime. Imagine transforming your social time into discussions about investments and growth instead of just entertainment. The conversations you have can shape your financial future more than any binge-watched show. With newfound knowledge, you're ready to share ideas and strategies, impressing peers with your understanding of finance. Each book read and lesson learned builds a brighter financial future. Imagine driving across America blindfolded. Sounds crazy, right? Millions manage money without tracking where it goes. What gets measured gets improved. Track every dollar. Awareness creates control. Habit 7. Thinking short term. Most people focus on today. Wealthy people think decades ahead. Every financial decision should answer one question: will this help my future self? The magic of wealth isn't quick profits. It's compound growth over time. Let's recap. Avoid these 7 habits. Checkmark: spending before saving. Checkmark: living on debt. Checkmark: lifestyle inflation. Checkmark: waiting too long. Checkmark: choosing entertainment over education. Checkmark: not tracking money. Checkmark: thinking short term. Master these habits. You'll be ahead of most people financially, because wealth isn't built overnight. It's built daily. If you enjoyed this video and want more practical finance strategies that actually help you build wealth, hit the like button, subscribe to Finance Growth, and comment below, which money habit are you working to change this year? Remember, your financial future is created by the choices you make today.